friends, today I am going to share you one more indicator strategy. Go to the tradingview.com. In the indicator section, search machine learning, JD Shorty. Add one more indicator, that is EMA. In the settings EMA, make the length 200. Then the machine learning indicator gives the green signal and the price crosses above the 200 exponential moving average. Buy the call. When the machine learning indicator gives the red signal and the price crosses below the 200 exponential moving average, sell the call. Before applying it to the real money trading, do backtest the indicator, do paper trade, minimize the stop loss and gain more profits. At the last, don't forget to follow the page.